Oh, I didn't see you there. Well, my name is Chris. I'm the winner of QUANBECK's 240SX. During transportation, we had a little issue.
Damn, you really jumped in it too hard.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to the point. During transportation, we had an issue. It was basically a blizzard. So this car went through a blizzard. As you can see, the trunk's exposed. So like a lot could get in there. There's no windows. And then the hood, there's no fender. So a lot of snow got in the car. The whole engine bay was covered with snow. Interior had snow in it. Trunk was full of it. So we started. It idled, and then it just kept blowing fuses in the trunk by the fuel pumps. Let me show you now. That's what we've been working on all day. So right here, this fuse to the fuel pump is always keeps blowing. So the car doesn't idle. It just starts for a second, then dies. So we're trying to figure that out. Obviously, I won the car, so I'm not like too upset about it. You know, like it's a 240. This stuff happens. I did some sticker removal. I'm kind of upset about it. I liked it better with the stickers. I might just get those stickers again. We'll see. I'm trying to like kind of make it my own. Let me give you guys a walk around of the car. If you watch Caleb's channel, you probably already know about it. Here's the interior. We took the dash off to try to sort the wiring issue, but that's how it is right now. Unchanged from when Caleb owned it, other than sticker removal. So
relays?
That's what we're working on. We might get a startup tonight.
And the relays?
The fuse might die, so we'll see.
We'll fucking see.
But if it starts, we'll let you know. We'll show you a video of it starting. And yeah. Well, guys, we made some progress, and I think we're about ready to get it started. Let's try it out.
I would have suggested showing it.
Nope.
You pop it already?
Yep, it's popped.
We'll just go.
Problem continues. Well, we switched out the fuses to a higher amp fuse. We'll see if this works. Hopefully it does. Nope.
I think it just shorted itself though. 1 second. Alright, we're going to the 30.
Another day, another broken 240.
Shit up, so it doesn't. Alright, go.
Go?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks good so far.
Rev it a little bit.
Wants to die. That's what I'm looking at. It's idling.
Yeah.
Like it's
working.
You think it's working? Let me open up the garage a little, get some air in. Just let idle, just let idle.
I'm trying to get the oil pressure flowing. It's coming from the...
I think we might have got it.
You got a water temp gauge, right? Yep. Are you out of clean?
That's my pit crew.
We're at 110% already. You got more coolant?
Yeah. Frank, did you use all the cooling?
No, I'm sorry. It's all the way to the bottom. What?
Did you use all the cooling?
Yeah. Let it chill. Just watch the test. I turn the fans on? Yeah. Is your starter off?
No, I'm a fucking idiot. Okay.
I heard it bad.
Fuck.
I totally forgot to start it on that side. I'm sorry. That's what it sounded like.
God,
It sounds fine now.
still trying to get used to the car. I left the starter on accident with the switch panel. Here's the load.
Did you die or did you turn it off? No, it died.
Okay. That's the longest it's idle so far. We even got to rev it up, which we haven't been able to do so far.
The fuse blew, yeah.
Man, the fuse blew again. So yeah, we have no idea what the issue could be.
What do you want to try? Just the same fuse and see what happens, and I'll sit in the back and watch it.
Was it 30 in there?
Yeah, but I think the wiring it could have dropped by the vibrations because remember all the loose solder is sitting there.
Yeah, could be.
And how is that?
If it disconnected, it shouldn't.
Check the connection. We didn't tape it. What's it?
It's good.
No, was it touching?
No.
Well, let's try 30 again, and I'll sit in the back and watch it. Because know that how that one side, the power solder in the back?
Yeah.
That was kind of close. All right.
New fuse?
Yeah. Are you still going?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, should we try it?
Yeah.
Turn the starter off this time.
Yeah, please.
What the fuck is that noise?
What noise?
The starter noise. All right.
Starter.
Nope. Battery's dead.
Battery's dead?
Yeah.
God damn it. Well, my battery did pretty good.
Yeah, it did. All right.
Wait, yours was charging for a little
Yes,
bit.
it was.
You can toss yours in real quick.
Yeah, let's do that. These are the fuses I've gone through so far, trying to figure this out. What is it, man? It's a pile of what?
A pile of L's.
That's a pile of L's right there. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. We're at work right now. Working at Mercedes-Benz. Tonight we should get the car running, hopefully. If we do, we'll do a burnout video, and I'll update you guys. Day 2. Anyway, day 2. We stopped yesterday because the battery's dead and it was cold as hell. So we didn't want to deal with that. It was really late, so we got the heater today, and then we're good to go. Let's see.
Check that wire. Check it.
Alright, sounds good so far. We'll see how long that lasts. Figure that right.
It's just the hose. It's fine.
Alright.
We'll have to wait on that.
It's running like a lot smoother today, but it's like. Alright, guys probably can't hear the car, but it is on. Did you do that?
Yeah. I literally touched the gas pedal or the.
Okay, good progress.
Used it.
Alright, guys, first startup. Well, second. Okay. Well, progress sort of. Fuse still blows, so we're gonna go to O'Reilly's or an auto parts store, get a relay, get fuses, get everything we need, and hopefully we get it tonight.
You see me pulling up, so lean, but I'm clean though. Smoking on the best wood you done never seen. Homie, I don't give a fuck about none of these C-hoes. I pulled off so quick, she ain't even know. Hold up, bitch, quit talking while I roll up. All black whip, cause I mixed every color.
I feel like this is fucking awkward. When do we
Well,
check this guy
we
out?
just came from the auto parts store. We got a few things to wire that. We're gonna rewire the whole fuel pump system, basically.
This should be fine.
But I got something in the mail
This is the one
today.
that came out of it?
Yeah.
Check out the sticker.
The solder?
Look at.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool. The sticker on my car. I'm gonna put it on my car. Well, we'll give you an update in a second. Alright, guys. Well, we could not figure out the problem. We've been working on it for 3 days. Here's what we got so far. We're in the middle of wiring. That was just our little test setup. We were gonna clean it up if it worked, but yeah, we cannot figure it out. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Let me show you the setup.
Explain the entire issue.
So every time we switch on the fuel pump through the switch panel. The car idles and runs for a second, and then you start revving it up. The fuse pops pretty much right away. So we replaced pretty much every wire leading to the switch panel, to the back of the fuel pump, from every wire that is connected to that system. So yeah, we're pretty much lost right now. We have no idea. The problem hasn't really been helped at all. We tried a lot of setups.
There is gas in the fuel cell.
Yeah, we got gas in it, obviously.
Ground and short issue has been we have not seen a short, no grounds anywhere. So
the
we don't want to say, oh, dude, ground. Obviously, I would have figured out.
Yeah, the problem is obviously probably like water damage related, because the car was covered in snow, like the whole fuel setup and everything. So I don't know. That's why we replaced every wire, every relay, pretty much everything connected to the fuel system. So I don't know. Let us know in the comments if you have suggestions. Here's the crew. That's Cameron. We got Alex Do.
What up?
We got Dakota. He's the. If you got a girlfriend, don't bring him around this kid. That's. And then we got the pirate right here.
What up?
Check out that mustache, guys. That's the only thing that's keeping us sane right now, just looking at his mustache. Well, we're gonna golf. So, yeah. I'm saying one more thing to add, guys. I just want to alliterate that. It's not Caleb's fault at all that the car's not running. So don't go, like, bashing hate on him. When he had the car, it was obviously running. He has videos of it running on the trailer, it driving fine. The truck driver actually called me mid-transport. He was telling me how the fuse just started popping randomly, like while the car was covered in snow. So I don't know. If anything, I kind of blame the truck driver, but I don't know. Anything could have happened. We don't know. But yeah, I don't blame Caleb at all. And obviously, I'm not too upset about it. I can't really even drive in until springtime. It's awful conditions where I'm at, and then no windows. It's just not really practical. But yeah, if you guys know any problems or anything that could cause these problems, please let me know in the comments. I could really use the help. I don't know, we've been working on it for 3 days and just hitting dead ends. So yeah, peace out, guys.